So hi, hey you. This is day 25 of Emberliana season 3. And it's letter Y. Tomorrow's letter Z. So let's get into it. Let me not distract you. Should I keep on using this filter? It's just going to be a challenge. Let's use this filter today. So letter Y. Okay, let's go. Why did you cheat on me? That's not a real song. Let's look for a song that has letter Y. Why? Why? Oh, why? Oh, why? Let me just go. We are HAPPY. Happy. We are HAPPY. You know, we are strong. We are HAPPY. Why happy? Stops at number 3. Youthful versus yearns. Youthful versus. Let me take a deep breath. So, what comes to my mind? I think this filter is distracting. Man, I played so much. Well, okay. Hey you, welcome to today's video. Letter Y. So youthful versus yawns. Youthful versus yawn. Yawn is like, let me just say you're tired. Youthful, you're energized, so full of energy and all of that. So I would say, okay, let me just change, not like change, but let me see yawn in like a sense of rest, and youthful and like a sense of being proactive. You grab, you dig, yeah, you dig. So it's all good. It is really good to be youthful, to be productive, like at what you love to do. I'm making this video because I love it. I love to, talk and kind of give value and help people somehow with my pretty face and my and my cheesy ass joke. Yeah, and I also love to sing. I'm really creative, so let's just say that's my like youthful, productive um place, or should I say like my own safe place, being youthful and productive. That is how I do my work and I tour it. So for yawn, we are taking it as relaxation. Should you relax while you are in your youth? Yes, totally. If we did not need relaxation, if we never needed rest, God would have just made it day and day, not day and night. You dig? Night, we should rest. We should rest because even God Himself rested on the seventh day. So while you are chasing money and chasing your career and chasing fame and all of those things, take times off and rest. Because last, now your body go hear 'em. And your body go hear 'em. If you overwork yourself and you don't rest, it's going to be on you, darling. It's going to be on you. So I'm also telling myself this. You guys know what Emberliana is, right? God has answered my prayers. So every video I'm making is me talking to myself. It's me affirming. It's me choosing to create this life. Okay? So work hard, rest hard, play even harder. I'm telling you, being youthful and rest is a blessing. It's a blessing to be productive and proactive and, moving your body and doing whatever it is that. Let me tell you something. This life makes no damn sense. It makes no sense. Have you read the book of Ecclesiastes? If you read that book in the Bible, you're just going to be like, well, fuck it. What am I doing here? So the best you can do is just eat, drink, and enjoy your toil, which is enjoy your work. Enjoy what you do. And just rest. Honey. And don't feel guilty for resting. And shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay. Subscribers, I'll kiss you. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video, which is going to be the last video, day 26. Aww. I'm not going to film it today so I can enjoy the moment. Okay? Take care. I love you so much. Let me post for thumbnails. I don't know why I don't smile. That smile is so fake. Stop. Bye. Rest. Be productive, but still rest. Bye. Kisses.